Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video, I'm going to be responding to one of our friends who have asked us about selling photos on iStock. Selling photos online on the platforms like iStock is another AI side hustle strategy that you can use to make money online. In this video, we are going to be seeing step by step for how you can be getting started, what are the requirements of selling photos on iStock, and what you are required to do to make sure that your photos are going to be approved and sold on the platforms like iStock. Remember to subscribe to the channel CV, like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. Let's suppose that you are going to be searching how to sell photos, how to sell photos online. You might be having some creatives, and if you be creating here, you are going to be seeing that you can see different platforms you can be able to sell photos and make money as well. Among the photos, you see that you have a Getty Image and also Stock United. You'll be seeing different platforms here, and these ones are going to be helping you to be making money by selling photos online. Once you're going to be selling photos on iStock, you can also be able to sell them directly on Getty Image, because it's going to be, as we are going to be seeing it here, iStock by Getty Image. You can see that also once you sell photos on Getty Image, it is going to be as well visible to iStock, and also be able to reach to the clients who can be paying them and buy your license, and you get money as well. Now let's see what is required and what are the steps you have to be passing through. The first thing, if you come here on iStock, here is what they tell you. Put your creativity to work. Join a creative community. Top brands, group media, and rating advertising agencies can see your content. Earn money every time they license one of your photos, videos, or illustrations. That means the photos or the creatives you have created already, that are the ones they're going to be also licensing and also be able to make money or to earn money. Let's for instance see how much money can you be able to earn. If I come to iStock and say like selling photos on iStock, I'm going to be seeing the photos which are related to selling. And also if I see these photos, you can see I'm gonna be getting different image in different ways. Here they are telling me to become a contributor. So what they see, share your work and start earning. Right, so now you can see, for instance, if I type driving image free on free iStock, so you can see I'm getting different images which are related to driving. And if I try to click on this one, for instance, this is the one. If I click on it, you see they are telling me to download it for free. Okay, so maybe I can download it for free. However, it's a free trial they are providing. If I click on it, for instance, they are telling me that I will be able to pay $29 a month after this period. After trying this period, I will be able to pay $29 per month. This means that this amount that I will be paying will be used to be also licensing different corrections that I can be able to use from iStock. For instance, I can be happy to use these photos in the future, to use it without credit and other things, without this one watermarks and the other stuff. So which means I will be able to get the image freely, which is visible and which is not having other stuff or other content on it. At this point, the person is going to be also using my image. I will be getting some money. I will be earning some money because he has already paid the plan for using that image on iStock. Now let's come back here as we click on also sell photos on iStock. Here is what you can see: more than $1 billion paid out. This is what they are telling you. So what you need to do is to create, provide or produce high quality image and videos for our customers, submit content with our easy to use platform and get paid, make money, time also refer even more by referring new contributors and customers. You can even also be able to earn money. Now here is what they are telling you. Now share your work and start earning. Let's click on get started. Once you click on get started, you are going to be also directed to contributors account. You can see contributors account.shutterstock.com. Here is what you need to do. You need to fill out all details of your information. Now after creating an account, you have to verify your email, and also you can see they are saying me that you have, or thank you, your email has been verified. Also after that, you have to provide this address. Here they are telling me to provide entire address, residential address or mailing address. If it is the same, also have to remain it as like that. So once I'm filled my addresses and everything, you can see now also I have signed up. Welcome to the community. We can't wait to see your best work. Ready to get started? Start uploading your images, photos, vectors or illustrations or video clips. What I need to do, I need to go to dashboard, or I can be uploading my videos or my photos, my creatives, so I can be starting earning money on iStock. Now you can see if I come to my dashboard, I'm going to be seeing different things that I was not able to see. For instance, if you can see here, I have this one, start upload today. You can now start uploading your image today. Also, I can start uploading images. I can start uploading videos. Once I submit images, here also as you submit creatives are going to be reviewed. Not submitted, pending approval, recently reviewed in the 3 weeks, image portfolio. Also, you can be seeing here on the right side, I have earning tab. On this earning tab, that is where I will be managing my money. Here you can see what I have already earned and will want to be appearing here. Also, I can see earning summary, my referrals, payment history, tax center. If I click on it, you can see I can be able to see the earning summary of this month. As I'm creating this video right now, also you can see I don't have any earnings. Now let's see the insights. I'm going to be getting the data. First is top performers. I can be able to see the top performers product in my ones. You can see whether either there are videos or images, but I don't have any. So you need to also to ensure that you have the creatives you have already uploaded to start getting insights, either visit or also people are purchasing them. Also, I have portfolio here tab. On this portfolio, you can submit your content, pending content, reviewed content, catalog manager. Also, you can be able to manage releases, corrections, and others. You can even also be able to use the keyword suggestions for your images so that you can be able to rank higher in the platform. Ranking here on the platform will help you to reach to the global audience. Also can be able to get an opportunity to sell your product to the most audience. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be able to sell photos on iStock and be able to make money. As you do this, you can be following these steps and also start your account. If you have your own product, you have to read the terms and the condition as well. So once you have read the terms and the conditions here on this page, you need also to ensure that you have your creative works. Need to ensure that you have your own works, and also it's going to be helpful for you so that you can be having unique works which can be purchasable by the people. Remember to subscribe to the channel CV, like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.